An amazing algebra problem to calculate for power of 10. For simplification, take square root 2 plus 1 a and square root 2 minus 1 b. When added, when multiplied, once we have these two values, we can calculate for any power. Start with a square plus b square. Next for a raised to the power 4, b raised to the power 4. A raised to the power 8, b raised to the power 8. If we combine these two values, we can solve for a raised to the power 10 plus b raised to the power 10. Now this value is unknown. Let's calculate it by cubing a square plus b square. Put this value. Six seven two six is the final answer.